Good morning, welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. Today we're just going to be looking at a cool way to do fire text. So get your black background first of all, and then just get your text tool, draw your text, just make sure it's white, that'll do. Get that in the middle there. Now the next thing is just to come across and duplicate that layer, and then hide that layer. Come back to your original one, come down to the layer styles, come into blending options, and the first thing you're going to do is take the fill opacity, pull that down to 0, and then you're going to come down to the outer glow, and you're going to change the colour here to, move this over a bit so you can see, I'm going to change it to an orangey colour. Say about that. Okay. And you're going to make the size here for the elements 5. So we've got that. And then you're going to go to inner glow. Well, make sure your opacity on the outer glow actually is at 75 up here, and on the inner glow your opacity goes up to 100, and then the colour as well changes to an orangey colour. Can be a bit of a darker orange than the last one. Size this time, however, that goes up to 10, and then just OK that. Now just come on to the top layer now that we hid and unhide that, and then come into the styles again, blending options. On the main advanced blending options, pull the fill for that down to 100. Down from 100 to 0. Then select outer glow. Change the size to 30. And the colour, you're just going to change that to red this time. Still down near the oranges, but there we go, a nice sort of deep red with a bit of orange there. So we're just going to OK that. And your opacity as well for the outer glow should be at 100. So now inner glow. Oh sorry, actually I've got the wrong one there. Come back to outer glow, your opacity should be 75. That one should be left at 75. Let's push that back down. It's actually an inner glow that the opacity goes up to 100. And then you want to take your colour, and you're looking for like a dirty yellow type colour. So that one looks okay. And this time your size is 20. And that looks okay. So we're just going to OK that. And next thing we do is right click and rasterize the layer. Just rasterize type. And what you're going to do is take your smudge tool and just using a brush, bring your size down to sort of about the width of the letters, about that's okay. And then you want to make sure that the hardness is at about 25% and the strength is at 70, and all you're going to do is just click, hold and smudge some flames out, just like this. It's quite easy and it's quite a nice effect. And you're just going to go over the letters and just do that. So that's now what your text should look like with the flames smudged around. So the next thing you're going to do is just hold down the control button and click on the layer that you're working on. Click on the actual sort of picture of the layer there, and that will select some of the text. Now you're going to come up to here, select inverse, and then what you're going to do is hit delete. That just brings the flame down a bit. Now the same again, you're going to hit select, sorry, you're going to hold down control and select the layer again to select, and this time you're going to click new layer, and then right click inside one of the, click on the transform tool. Oh, that doesn't work either. Sorry, there we go. Come up to the marquee tool, select, right click on the selected option and go to fill, and then what you're going to do here is you're going to change the contents up here to white, and then go to blending mode, and you're going to select overlay and reduce the opacity, say down to about 70 to start, and just click OK. And that gives us quite a fiery white. That's a bit too fiery, so I'm just going to bring the opacity down a bit again. Let's see, there we go. So that gives us the sort of white of the flame as well. You can see the difference there. We've still got a bit of black see through to the background, and that gives us our white. Crank that up a little bit more. So there we go, that's how you do fire text.